Today topic is ionization enthalpy. It is also called ionization energy and ionization potential. Here we write ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. Today topic is ionization energy and ionization enthalpy. इसको हिंदी में आयनन एंथैल्पी या आयनन ऊर्जा कहते हैं। मान लीजिए कोई एटम है, उसके वैलेंस शेल से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को निकालना है, तो जितनी एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, आवश्यकता होगी, वही जो है आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी कहलाएगी। उसी को अंग्रेजी में लिखा जाता है द एनर्जी required to remove an electron. We write the energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom in its we write the energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom in its ground state is called ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. It is also called ionization potential. We write the energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom in its ground state is called ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. It is also called ionization potential. It is denoted by IE, delta IH or IP. It is denoted by IE, delta IH or IP. Here we write if this indicate isolated gaseous atom. Here we write G, this indicate gaseous term. Here we write E and here we write M positive G plus E minus. Here E indicate energy of electron which required remove the electron. Now here we write E is equal to delta H, delta IH is equal to ionization in enthalpy. Now we write it is measured by electron volt per atom. We write it is measured by electron volt per atom और किलो कैलोरी मोल इनवर्स और किलो जूल मोल इनवर्स. It is a endothermic process. We write it is a endothermic process. Next topic is successive ionization enthalpy, which is related to ionization enthalpy. Here we write in heading successive ionization in enthalpies. यदि कोई एटम एक से अधिक इलेक्ट्रॉन रखता है, सपोज दैट एल्युमिनियम, द वैलेंसी ऑफ एल्युमिनियम इज 3, therefore 3 electron removed in the aluminum atom. If we remove 1 electron in aluminum atom and it converted into aluminum ion, here we write E, which indicate require energy. This energy indicate delta IH, which is ionization enthalpy. We remove first electron in aluminum atom, therefore E1 indicate by E1 and delta IH indicate by delta IH1, which indicate first ionization enthalpy of aluminum atom. Now we remove 1 electron in aluminum ion. It converted into 2 positive charge. Here we write 1 and here we write E2. E2 indicate required energy of remove second electron. Therefore here we write E2 is equal to delta IH2, which indicate second ionization enthalpy of aluminum ion. Now we remove again 1 electron in aluminum ion. The required energy is right here E3, which indicate third ionization enthalpy, and here we write delta E3 is equal to delta E3 is equal to delta IH3, which indicate third ionization enthalpy of aluminum ion. These ionization enthalpies are called successive ionization enthalpy. Now we write definition of successive ionization enthalpy. Here we write the energy energies required to remove we write the energy required to remove subsequent electron from. We write the energy required to remove subsequent electron from the atom in the gaseous state are known as successive ionization enthalpies. We write the energy required to remove subsequent electron from the atom in the gaseous state are known as successive ionization enthalpies. The term first, second, third. We write the term first, second, third ionization enthalpies. Ionization enthalpies refer to the removal of first, second, third electron respectively. We write the term first, second, third ionization enthalpy refers to the remove the first, second, third electron respectively. These change may be these change, we write these change may be represented as follows. May be represented as follows. Here we write Mg and one electron remove and write M plus G. Here we write plus E. The energy required is called E1, which indicate first ionization enthalpy. Therefore, here we write E1 is equal to delta I H1. Now we remove one electron in cation form. Here we write M2 positive charge Ge minus. The required energy E is called E2, which indicate second ionization enthalpy. Therefore, here we write E2 is equal to delta I H2. Now we remove one electron. Here we write M3 positive charge and write Ge minus. Here we write E, which indicate required energy of remove third electron, which is denoted by E3. Here we write E3 is equal to delta I H3, which indicate third ionization enthalpy. Now we write the increasing order of we write the increasing order of successive ionization enthalpies. We write the increasing order of successive ionization enthalpy as follows. Delta I H1 is very small. Delta I H2 is greater than delta I H1. Delta I H3 is greater than delta I H2, and so on.